Whole new body design, dazzling light effects, and super cool words displaying in the air. Our smart aircraft will be your new friend. Before flight, put the fully charged battery into the battery compartment. Then turn on the remote control. Push the stick up and down for pairing. After that, push the left stick twice to take off the aircraft. To change the LED pattern, we can just keep pressing the top left button here. For a dazzling lights effect, press the right button here, then switch to the top left button and hold it. We can also use the right stick here and keep pressing the top left button for another pattern. The next thing we would like to do is trimmer. Press the top right button and hold it, and push the right stick at the same time. For rolling action, just press the top right button and push the right stick. First, scan the QR code on the manual and download the software. Open the setting on our cell phone and click the Bluetooth and then back to the software. When the Bluetooth has connected, the top circle light of the aircraft will be always bright. Then we can be back to the software and click the editing. Write down what we want to say, click the preview and send it. At this time, we would notice the light on the aircraft would be flashing twice. It means sending is complete. The final thing before taking off is remember to click the connect icon to shut down the connection. Click the icon again if we would like to send the words. Now we will try the dazzling lights effect. Just press the top left button right here and hold it. To change for another pattern, press the right side button after the aircraft has entered the rolling mode. Keep pressing the top left button. Now is auto display function. Just to push the right stick. Turn on the gesture watch and waiting for light changing. Then press the finger button to take off the aircraft. To change the LED pattern, quickly press the body button twice and then press the finger button on 3 times. When 3 times finger button, the aircraft will be in pattern mode, and then another 3 press, we can change for another pattern. For rolling action, just press the finger button and then title your wrist. It will roll over in the same direction. When love is in the air, everything becomes so beautiful.